JD Cap 26 here, just your tips, repairs, and hobbies, and always trying to bring you new content. We've got 3 tools we're going to go over today from Amazon. They're pretty good bargains, so stay tuned. This is not in any special order, but let's open the first one up and see what we got here. These are all from Amazon, and got a box here. This is something we're not going to review. Put that to the side. Let's open up the next one. This is something we are going to review. Okay. Looks like it's packaged okay. Let's open the side here. There's these grips on it. And cut this off. Gee, that little PowerPoint really works very well. I don't know. People complain about it, but I think it works very well. Cutting things. This is a pair of pliers, and they're soft pliers actually. And put this on here. I know how to do it. There we go. They're soft pliers, and you want a pair of soft pliers for the main reason they're spring loaded, and they're a pretty good size, because when you go and do things like airbrushes, you want something soft to grip that, to open the nozzle up and undo it. Okay, and tighten it. So that's the main reason why you get soft pliers, so you don't want to mar the item you are working on. And I'll have this in the description below. It's a PL200 SC-STTC. I'll have the link in the item below. It's got a little lanyard thing here, so you can hang it up on your tool board. So that's one of the tools. Okay. And it is steel. Pretty sure. Yeah, it's steel. Okay. The grippy things, I don't know if you can buy those extra, but you might be able to once they wear out. Let's get the next item here going. Don't know what this is. Let's open this up. Oh, I see. This is a Crescent 6-inch, 1/4 inch breaker bar. Okay, and it's got a clip here. Let's try to open that. Cut that open. And got a lock, locks in like that. Pull it out, pull the tool out, put that over there. And it's a CW5N. Good movement in the head. And let's check, see if it is metal. The head is metal. It is 1/4 inch. I got a little thing set up here for you with a socket. I drove a Norton screw into the wood. Let's see how this snaps in here. It's 1/4 inch, so it snaps in there pretty good. Okay, that's a 1/4 inch socket I put on there, and yeah, it turns it out very nicely. I mean, it's only in wood, but I mean, you're going to be using this on metal. You know, a little trick you can do with this, since it doesn't have a thing. Put a magnet on it, and it won't, the socket, the bit won't fall out. So it's, except it grabs it, it grabs it around there. So Yeah, that's going to work very good. It's a breaker bar, you know, to break nuts and actually bolts actually and nuts. And I'm going to keep that socket on there for now because I'm going to use this in the future. But that's a very nice finish on there, chrome finish, and it's by Crescent. So that's the second tool. We'll put this in the Amazon description if you want to get it. And these are all like $9. I mean, you know, you can't go wrong. Just tools you just don't have, you know. I didn't have a breaker bar in my kit that came with the socket set, and that was a Stanley socket set. So I don't know, I got a box over here. So I'm gonna open the box over here. It's too big to bring on the bench. Got a couple more tools. I'm gonna see what's in this box. I'm glad they put it in this type of box. Got a micrometer, and the other item is not something we're going to review. Put the box over here. We've got a micrometer, and this only ran about $9.99. And let's open that up. Got some staples here. I think I'll push them up like that. And then turn this in. Let's see if I can pull the staples out. Like that. I needed a micrometer, you know. I did do the video today of the app with the micrometer, but I need an actual micrometer. And this comes with a battery, you know, with the micrometer. Don't drop your micrometer and you know, on the floor or anything like that. Be gentle with it. And it's got a arrow here. Oh, it came with the battery already installed, so they give you one with it. So that's great. I'm going to put that back in the package, and look at that. Okay, so let's measure something. Let's measure this bit. We all know how big the bit should be. 6.1. And it has an on-off switch here. You can turn it off and turn it on. 6.1 millimeters. Let's measure this right here. 11.7 millimeters. You know, millimeters, you convert it. You know, it's 1/4 inch. Okay, so let's measure the shaft of this. 9.5 millimeters. And it has it in inches and millimeters right here. So you can see right there, inches and millimeters. Okay. It's I mean, you know, and you can switch it over, see? Has a button here if I want to go inches. So let's see what it is in inches. 0.37. Let's see what this is. This should be, let's measure the head of it. 0.38. Okay. You switch it over to millimeters. It says millimeters right there. See right there? It says millimeters. And it has a 0. You can 0 it every time. On-off switch. On, off. And it probably has a sleep, so it may go off by itself. Let me see if it has a sleep on there. Reading on the back. I mean, for $9.99, you can't beat it, you know? I mean, you got a caliper, you know? And that's great, you know? Let's measure this tool. thickness of the tool. I didn't zero it. Okay, zeroed it. 0.9, about 10 millimeters thick. You can measure the inside of the jaws like this. The inside part right there, that measures 0.26 millimeters when they're just sprung open. That's good. It's a good little caliper for the money. I'll put the link in the description below. And the battery, see, I lost the battery already, guys. Oh, there it is. The battery for this, the size is a LR44. LR, I got a million of those. LR44. Let's turn it off so it doesn't waste anything. It's too bad it didn't come in a little wooden case, but I bet you could find one online. You know, so those are the tools I wanted to show you today. If you have any questions about them, let me know in the link, the description below, the comments. And thank you for watching my videos, and we'll see you next one time. Bye for now.